the little kitchen that woke up.
醒来的小小厨房。
In a quiet kitchen, all the utensils slept peacefully in their drawers.
在安静的厨房里，所有的工具都在抽屉里安稳地睡着。
In a quiet kitchen, all the utensils slept peacefully in their drawers. But when the clock struck 6, the frying pan woke up first.
但当时钟敲到6点时，第一个醒来的是平底锅。
But when the clock struck 6, the frying pan woke up first. Another day of sizzling. The pan yawned proudly.
又是煎得滋滋响的一天，平底锅骄傲地打着呵欠。
Another day of sizzling. The pan yawned proudly. The spatula jumped up, eager to flip something, anything.
锅铲跳了起来，迫不及待想翻个什么东西，任何都好。
The spatula jumped up, eager to flip something, anything. In the corner, the shy whisk stretched its wires slowly.
在角落里，害羞的打蛋器慢慢伸展着它的钢丝。
In the corner, the shy whisk stretched its wires slowly. The mixing bowl smiled warmly. Good morning, everyone.
搅拌盆温柔地笑着，大家早安。
The mixing bowl smiled warmly. Good morning, everyone. Suddenly, the refrigerator door opened with a cold breeze.
突然，冰箱门带着冷风打开。
Suddenly, the refrigerator door opened with a cold breeze. Ingredients coming through, the fridge announced proudly.
食材要出来喽，冰箱自豪地宣告。
Ingredients coming through. The fridge announced proudly. Eggs rolled out first, giggling as they wobbled.
鸡蛋最先滚出来，一边晃一边偷笑。
Eggs rolled out first, giggling as they wobbled. The butter slid out sleepily, leaving a tiny trail.
奶油懒洋洋地滑出来，留下小小的痕迹。
The butter slid out sleepily, leaving a tiny trail. Everyone ready asked the chef's knife, sharp and serious.
大家准备好了吗？主厨刀锐利又严肃地问。
Everyone ready asked the chef's knife, sharp and serious. The cutting board braced itself like a brave soldier.
砧板像勇敢的士兵一样做好准备。
The cutting board braced itself like a brave soldier. Together, they chopped, mixed, whisked, and stirred.
他们一起切，一起拌，一起打，一起搅。
Together, they chopped, mixed, whisked, and stirred. The little kitchen filled with the music of clinks and clatters.
小厨房里充满了叮叮当当的音乐。
The little kitchen filled with the music of clinks and clatters. The oven chimed happily. I'm warm. Send them in.
烤箱开心地叮了一声：“我热好了，送进来吧。”
The oven chimed happily. I'm warm. Send them in. Inside, bread dough puffed up like a proud little pillow.
烤箱里，面团像骄傲的小枕头一样膨胀起来。
Inside, bread dough puffed up like a proud little pillow. Meanwhile, the kettle sang a cheerful whistle for tea time.
同时，水壶吹出愉快的哨声，宣告泡茶时间到了。
Meanwhile, the kettle sang a cheerful whistle for tea time. The toaster popped 2 slices of bread into the air like acrobats.
烤面包机把2片吐司像杂技表演般弹飞出来。
The toaster popped 2 slices of bread into the air like acrobats. The whole kitchen glowed with warmth, teamwork, and delicious smells.
整个厨房充满了温暖、合作，还有美味的香气。
The whole kitchen glowed with warmth, teamwork, and delicious smells, and every utensil agreed, cooking was magic, but only when they worked together.
所有工具都同意，料理是魔法，但只有一起合作才能施展。
And every utensil agreed, cooking was magic, but only when they worked together.